Ever look at that container of Greek yogurt sitting in your fridge and think, ugh, breakfast again? Yeah. You're not alone. Most of us buy Greek yogurt with the intention of being healthy. But then we fall into the same routine: yogurt, fruit, granola, repeat. It gets boring fast. Then we stop eating it. It expires. And there goes the healthy habit we tried to build. But here's the truth: Greek yogurt is actually one of the most versatile foods you own. And when you use it beyond breakfast, it can help you stay full longer, improve digestion, support lean muscle growth, and satisfy cravings without feeling like you're restricting yourself. So today, I'm going to show you 3 practical, genuinely delicious ways to use Greek yogurt that have nothing to do with breakfast. And the best part? You don't need to cook. You don't need fancy ingredients. You can start using these today. Because healthy eating shouldn't feel like punishment. It should feel simple and doable. Alright, let's get into this. So first, why does Greek yogurt even matter? Greek yogurt has almost twice the protein of regular yogurt. That means it keeps you full longer, helps your muscles recover after workouts, and keeps your energy steady instead of crashing. And because it's full of probiotics, it supports your gut health, which affects everything from your mood to your immune system. So Greek yogurt isn't diet food. It's fuel. Real fuel. Now, here are 3 easy ways to use Greek yogurt beyond breakfast that will actually make your meals taste better, not worse. Use Greek yogurt as a creamy base for sauces and spreads. Think about your favorite creamy foods. What do they usually include? Mayo. Sour cream. Heavy cream. Delicious? Yes. But they can also make meals feel heavy, greasy, and honestly, they don't keep you full. So try this. You're packing a lunch. You want something filling that won't leave you tired afterward. Take a big spoonful of Greek yogurt and mix in garlic, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Instantly, you've got a creamy garlic sauce. Spread it on a chicken wrap. Mix it with shredded chicken. Use it as a veggie dip. It gives you the creamy texture you crave, without the extra calories, and with way more protein. And here's a fun one to try tonight. Greek yogurt plus taco seasoning. Just stir it together and put it over chicken or beef tacos. It tastes like something from a restaurant, not like healthy food. This is how we make healthy eating enjoyable. No restrictions, just upgrades. 2. Use Greek yogurt to upgrade dessert without the sugar crash. Let's talk about the moment cravings hit. It's nighttime. You're tired. Your brain wants comfort, which usually means ice cream, pudding, cookies, something sweet. Instead, try this. Scoop some Greek yogurt into a bowl. Drizzle a little honey or maple syrup. Add cinnamon, maybe a few dark chocolate chips or berries. It's creamy. It's sweet. It's satisfying. And because you're getting protein, not just sugar, you don't get that huge spike and crash. That means better sleep, less late-night hunger, and fewer cravings the next morning. This one swap can completely change how in control you feel with food. 3. Add Greek yogurt to meals you already make. This is the easiest habit of all. You don't need a new meal plan. You don't need to start fresh Monday. Just add protein to what you already eat. If you're making a smoothie, add 2 spoonfuls of Greek yogurt. If you're making oatmeal, stir in Greek yogurt after it cooks to make it creamier. If you're heating up soup, mix Greek yogurt in to make it thicker and more filling. You're not changing your meals. You're just making them more satisfying. That's how healthy habits stick. Now let's clear up one common myth. A lot of people say they don't like Greek yogurt because it tastes too sour or too plain. But in most cases, they tried fat-free plain yogurt, which honestly, is not the best place to start. If you want that smooth, rich flavor that actually tastes good, choose 2% or 5% Greek yogurt. The taste is completely different, creamier, more balanced, more enjoyable. A few extra grams of healthy fat can actually help you feel full longer, and that means less snacking and fewer cravings. When your food tastes good, you stick with it. So here's your quick takeaway, the part that matters most. Starting today, swap Greek yogurt in for mayo, sour cream, or heavy sauces. Use it to build desserts that satisfy cravings without the crash. Add a scoop to meals you already make, smoothies, soups, oatmeal, to increase protein effortlessly. Small changes. Big results. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the hardest part of eating healthy for you? Is it cravings? Boredom? Time? Or staying consistent? Tell me in the comments. I truly read every one. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit subscribe, because we're building a community that makes healthy living realistic and enjoyable. More simple, science-backed food upgrades are coming. Stay with me. Let's do this together.